Alright, so here are my stock 8th gen injectors. These are the 310cc injectors that come with the K20Z3. So I just got back from Quantum Raceworks in Ravena, New York. They cleaned them on their brand new injector bench cleaner and also flow tested them. So that was just a quick video of them on the test bench. Results were that they were all within 1% of each other, and they all flowed the full 310cc that they're rated for. So it might have been overkill to go and get these cleaned, even though they weren't really dirty before, but I was kind of paranoid since these were in a bag for 4 years, kind of flying around with each other, and there was dirt on the outside of the injector that could have got down the chute on any of them, so I didn't want any kind of dirt plugging up any of the injectors. I figured it's better to be safe than sorry. Good peace of mind knowing that all the injectors are within 1% of each other when going back on the car. Alright, and since these are 11 years old now, I decided that I'm going to put all brand new O-rings on them. I bought these all from Honda. On the stock injector there's 3 O-rings, so you got to replace all 3 if you're doing it right. The little black one on the bottom, the one right here, and then the one up top. A couple of mine have rips and tears in them, so I figured I'd do the whole set. I bought these all from Honda. Gonna replace them, throw these back in the car. Alright, so here they are. Brand new O-rings on all 4 of them. Ready to go back in the stock fuel rail. Alright, so the injectors are back in the rail. Just lubed a little silicone lubricant on my finger. Put a tiny amount on the O-rings and they slip right in.